Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel The Coding Tech. Today we will see how to start competitive programming. If you are new in my channel, then please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Let's started. Start your journey from where you are and grow step by step. Step 1. Choose a language you are comfortable in. Step 2. Make an account on coding platforms, like TopCoder, CoderByte, hackerrank and codeshef. Step 3. Start with practicing basic coding questions from operators, loops. Then solve questions from arrays, prime numbers, modulo, pointers, strings, GCD, LCM, and number theory. Then solve questions from recursion, matrix, searching, sorting, and binary exponentiation. Step 4. Take part in challenges and increase difficulty levels. Step 5. Every time try to solve one more question than last time. Step 6. Learn new concepts and also work on maths concepts. Step 7. Start working on towards data structure and algorithms. Step 8. Start working on game theory. If you get stuck in any situation, then you should take someone else's guidance and then keep moving forward. Always learn, then implement, then practice and work hard. Do not quit. Thanks for watching.